showbiz kwentuhan.
That was the very first sequence I shot for Ironheart.
Joshua Garcia, napaka-professional itong tao.
Kulitan kasama ang trending celebrities at kinakikiligang love teams ngayon.
Beautiful Lies.
Aking mahal.
Sagot na namin yan.
Ako ba yun?
Alam nyo yan dito sa Kapamilya chat. So, hindi ko talaga naiisip na magkaka-award.
All you have to do is sit back, relax, enjoy, and watch your favorite artista sa aming mga pina-level up na challenge at exclusive pasilip sa kanilang buhay sa likod ng camera. Tara na! Dahil bukod sa Zoom-mustahan, kami nagbabalik studio na.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Iiyak ba ako? Uy!
Ang galing mong empleyado ng ABS-CBN.
Nood na sa Kapamilya Chat. What's up, Kapamilya all over the world? Ako po si Jeremiah and welcome back to Kapamilya Chat. Mga Kapamilya, we are now streaming via pinoybigbrother.abs-cbn.com/chat and also muli napapanood na tayo sa ating YouTube channel and of course sa ating Facebook page. Mga Kapamilya, this time around, kung kanina nakasama natin ang big winner, ngayon naman makakasama natin Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11 second big placer. We have Rain!
Hello po.
Hi Rain! Welcome to Kapamilya Chat! Grabe! Grabe. First of all, batiin mo lahat ng iyong mga supporters and of course lahat ng kapamilya natin. Go ahead.
Hello guys! Hello! Thank you guys! Oh my gosh!
Grabe.
Thank you po for the support, everyone.
Totoo yan, grabe. Welcome back to the outside world talaga, no? Grabe. How are you now, Rain? Kamusta?
Right now po, it's just crazy talaga. So, I'm still like adjusting po. I can't believe I'm outside world. I'm in outside world.
Wala na mga palapel, mga paname tag talaga, di ba?
Yeah,
Oo.
I miss my lapel. Wala na akong in-wear, but yeah. good po.
Grabe, no? So, still, kumbaga, nasa adjustment period ka pa
Yes,
na.
yes.
Wow. Pero, grabe, balikan natin, Rain. Siyempre, mas gusto ka namin makilala din dito sa Kapamilya Chat, no? Yung journey mo sa pagsali mo sa Pinoy Big Brother. Paano ito, Rain? Ikaw ba yung tipong ginusto mo talaga to? Or like Fiang kanina na na-invite ng friends? Paano naman yung kwento ni Rain?
So, di ko alam kung... alam niyo po kasi, I thought of joining PBB. Am I gonna say this talaga? When I failed my calculus.
Oh, wow. Bakit?
Cause like, I was like, I saw my grades and I was like, damn, kailangan ko ng plan B. So, I was like, nakita ko kasi yung PBB poster and I was like, I'm gonna do this na lang kasi may opportunity and I also wanted to be an artist talaga. So, I was like, I'm gonna take the chance na lang, like, just do it. So, that's why ginawa ko.
So, kumbaga, ito yung plan B. Naging redirection for Rain talaga itong PBB. Yung journey mo sa pag-audition, kumusta yun?
Actually, it was quite fast. I went there 6 a.m. Tapos, di pa po ako ready. Hindi ako nakapagdala ng ballpen, so I borrowed pa sa mga nasa line. And I was like writing and filling up. Tapos, ayun po, I didn't really expect much. I was just enjoying po the audition. Yeah.
Pero Rain, ikaw, sino yung kasama mo nag-audition?
I was with my classmate, my ex-classmate, former classmate. She's my friend.
Oo.
Should I say the name?
Yeah, it's okay.
Fabi Valerie Natasha Apurado. Like, she's my friend. Tapos,
Grabe.
yeah.
For
Nag-audition
sure,
kami.
super proud yung friend mo
Yeah.
talaga sa'yo. Nakapag-usap na ba kayo ulit?
Yeah.
Ano sabi niya?
Sabi niya, she's so proud of me. And I'm like, oh, thanks, bro. Thanks.
Pero during the audition process, ikaw ba may gut feeling ka na parang, oh, I will make this? May ganun ka ba? Or talagang trusting the process lang talaga?
Legit, like, ang dami kasing people. And then, ang daming amazing people nga. And I was like, I'm just gonna enjoy talaga. I'm just gonna enjoy. So, nag-enjoy lang ako. I didn't really wanna expect. Baka ma-hurt ako eh. So,
Yun naman din talaga. Pero when the time that you got the message or an email saying that you'll be part of this season ng PBB, ano yung naging reaction mo?
oh my gosh. I went like this. Tapos nakita ko, like, there was like ganun, like-notification. I'm like, oh, crazy? Legit? And I'm like, oh my gosh! So,
Sino yung unang pinagsabihan ni Rain?
I told my parents first. To my parents, I'm like, bro, may nag-chat. And I'm like, crazy, I'm going Manila. So I was like, oh, crazy! Yun.
So kumbaga talagang na-shock ng malala si Rain, grabe.
Yeah, malala talaga.
Grabe. Tapos dumating ka sa Manila, nagka-hotel
Yeah.
arrest and all that. Take us back to your first night sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Oh my gosh. So, I'm known po like as a loud person, ganun po. But first night, Rain was so shy.
Ay,
Yeah.
kakaibang Rain na agad yung nakita nila.
It's my first time being shy because I can't believe it kasi PBB. Tapos I'm inside the house, so I was like, wow, crazy, bahay ni Kuya.
This is it, may ganun, no?
Yeah, so I'm like, hello po, hello. So I was like medyo shy pa. And then I was like, it's so nice. So,
Sino yung mga una mong nalapitan or yung mga nakausap mo that time?
oh, unang-una po talaga, Therese po. Kasi we were together.
Therese.
Yeah, we went inside the house together po. And I'm like, oh, you're 17, that's crazy. Because she was so tall.
She's so tall talaga,
Yeah.
grabe.
And nag-heels pa siya nun. I was wearing flat sneakers. I was like, damn, tumingin na ako sa taas talaga nun. Yeah.
Ganun katangkad talaga,
Yeah.
no?
Hello po. And then she's like, I'm 17. Oh, you're 17.
Pero ikaw, Rain, syempre, sabi nga natin, no, sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, different people with different characteristics, attitude talaga, ganyan. Paano ka nag-adapt or nakipag-connect sa bawat isa?
Actually, I'm not sure po kasi it just came off naturally. Like, I met very many people, no? And then they were different. Pero parang, I didn't really have to do anything. Parang, it just went on, like, vibe. Like, so, ganun lang po siya. Yeah.
Smooth lang, wala na yung kailangan mag-adjust,
Yeah,
kailangan
I didn't really
mag-ganito.
have to do that kasi everyone was so amazing. So I'm like, hey, chill.
Instant connection talaga
Yeah,
yung nabuo,
yeah.
no?
Yeah.
Pero, Rain, ikaw, kung babalikan mo yung naging journey mo sa loob ng bahay, how will you describe it?
I also said it in Big Night. I'd say amazing. The only word for it is amazing. Because the journey in PBB House, not only was it fun, but it was also puno siya ng learnings talaga. So like, damn, crazy talaga yung PBB House. You can learn a lot talaga.
Really amazing
Yeah.
talaga, grabe. Pero speaking of learnings, best learning mo na natutunan sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya?
Supporters will know this. My best learning in Kuya's house is, guys, believe in yourself. First thing you should do talaga in life, believe in yourself. Kasi, sino nga ba magdunan, talaga yung language, sino gagawa nun if hindi mo gagawin sa self mo?
Right.
Believe in yourself first, and then you can believe in others. Just put yourself first, guys. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Yeah. That's
Pero
what
speaking of pagiging confident, paniniwala sa self, when is the time that you are not confident sa sarili mo? Or may ganong moments ka ba na parang, kaya ko ba? May ganon ka ba? Or very dedicated ka sa sarili?
Of course po, there were times na parang, damn, I think I'm gonna go out this Saturday. Parang mapapathink po talaga.
May ganun ka.
Yeah, when you're like nominated and like, you look at the people nominate them like, oh no, scary. So especially inside the house, we don't know anything about outside
Right,
world,
oo.
how we're perceived. So I'm like, scary, parang lalabas na ba ako? So, yun po yung times na yun talaga. Especially when you're nominated, that's where I feel it talaga.
Ang galing, no? Kasi totoo nga naman, kayo sa loob ng bahay, wala kayong idea kung may sumusuporta ba, may naniniwala. Di ba may ganun talaga na you only find out na maraming nagmamahal sa inyo the time that you came out of the house talaga, no?
Yeah.
Di ba? Grabe. Noong nakita mo, Rain, noong big night na grabe, sobrang dami mong supporters.
I did not expect po talaga. And there was like a big rain sign. I'm like, oh, crazy, my name is Nona. So I'm like, wow, thank you guys. I was so shocked po talaga. I didn't expect po talaga.
Galing. Yung learning mo talaga na mas, kumbaga, maniwala. Kasi that's the real advice or learning talaga. Kasi sometimes talaga may times na parang, kumbaga, hindi tayo naniniwala sa sarili natin. If we can do it talaga. But if we really persevere talaga at maniwala sa sarili natin talaga, ma-achieve. Like what you did talaga
Yes
na.
po.
Grabe yung naging redirection, no, from, kumbaga, hindi mo na make yung sa calculus class mo, but you went to audition. Now you're the second big placer.
Yeah. And you know what's ironic? I got pinakamatalino. So I was like, oh my gosh. But actually, okay lang. Kasi I can see why I got pinakamatalino. Pero yeah, let's just not talk about calculus talaga.
Totoo din naman talaga, oo. Pero yun na nga, mahalaga kumbaga, you are really happy and kumbaga, kayang-kaya nating balikan yung calculus class na yan for sure talaga, no? Mas palaban na talagang Rain na makaka...
Yeah.
Ha, talagang palaban no? Pero syempre sa loob ng bahay, Rain, no, napakaraming makukulay na journey, no? Through ups and downs, magkakasama kayo sa loob ng bahay. For you, what's the most unforgettable moment when you were inside the house?
Pag mag-think ako unforgettable moment, marami po talagang mag-go inside my head.
Totoo.
So, pero ang first talagang mag-go inside my head, yung teens party. Kasi yun yung first na may boom party. So it's so cute kasi nag-open kami ng girls veranda. Tapos nakita namin yung grass and then yung bean bags and then barbecue. And then it's all teens. Yeah, it was so unforgettable for me.
Kumbaga,
Two teens.
Oo.
Yeah, you know that? Yeah.
Grabe. Pero, Rain, for me, ang isa sa mga unforgettable, yung nagko-compose kayo ng song. Like what
true,
I've said
true.
kanina, di ba? Yung
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Papaano yung kwento? Papaano kayo nag-come up with the song Crazy? Ano yung inspiration behind?
Actually po, Crazy. Ate Colette was the one who started it.
Mm-hmm.
She started with some words she wrote down and then nagpa-help siya kay Kai for the melody, ganun. Tapos at bandang ending na po yung ambago dun. Yeah. And then nagtuloy-tuloy lang po. Like, that's why it's called Crazy kasi yung lyrics, if you listen to it talaga, parang crazy yung nagsising. Yeah. We got it, ganun.
Kumbaga, smooth lang din yung naging
Yeah,
composition
yeah,
nun.
yeah.
Pwede bang parinig naman kami ng konting sample?
Oh, wait lang. Also, Mark was also there. too.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, sample? Oh, crazy.
Oh,
Ah,
on the
crazy.
spot live sa Kapamilya Chat for the first time, no? Kakantahin ni Rain. Go.
I'm gonna sing the last part na lang. It's
Go.
okay. Oh no, don't go, can't show. I can't show this feeling inside. I try to hide, but with you I feel like I could fly.
Grabe naman siya. Sample pa lang yan, mga kapamilya, no? Pero, nako, now that you're here sa outside world, for sure, mas marami kaming aabangan na ganyan from you, no? Speaking of, syempre, napakahusay na singer. Now that nandito ka na, sino ba sa ating mga kapamilya artist? Eto na nga, yun nasa bucket list ni Ray na makasama sa ASAP stage, mag-perform, kumanta, ganyan.
Definitely Beanie.
Wow.
Beanie. KZ Tandingan, Moira de la Torre. Those, amazing sila kasi. Oh my God. So yeah, looking forward for that po.
Grabe. Pero ikaw ba, Rain, do you see yourself like producing your own song, like making an album, ganyan?
Actually, yeah. Since nakapasok po ako sa PBB house, doon ko po na-discover na I can write songs pala. So, like, damn, maybe I can do it nga. So, yeah, I can see that po.
Talaga.
Yeah.
Game ka if ever.
Game po.
If ever sa mga housemates naman, sa ex-housemates na nakasama mo sa loob, no? Sino yung gustong mong makakollab in a song?
Oh, that Keisha, Jaren. Yeah.
Na mga napakahusay
Yeah.
din naman talaga,
Yeah.
no? Pero acting-wise naman, let's say that you are going to make your own teleserye or a movie, sino yung mga dream celebrities that you really wanna work with?
Kyla Cherry.
Ooh.
Kyla Cherry, yeah. I'm gonna go big. Catherine Bernardo. Ha!
Totoo naman talaga. Oo, i-claim talaga natin
Yeah.
yan, di ba? So, Kyle Itzari and Catherine Bernardo,
Yeah.
if ever, may dream role ba si Ray?
Dream role? Maybe something in rom-com po.
Mas gusto mo yung talaga aliw, good
Yeah, I
vibes
feel like
talaga.
I'm just gonna enjoy kasi like, yeah, rom-com, yeah.
Rom-com
But
talaga.
parang I'd also love to explore drama.
Totoo din naman. Why not game
Yeah.
talaga, di ba?
Yeah.
Grabe. Pero Rain, ikaw, how will you describe yourself prior entering the Big Brother house compared to now?
I'd say po, before entering Kuya's house, hindi ko pa masyado kilala yung self ko. I thought I already, like, kilala ko self ko like that.
Yes.
When I entered, after entering Kuya's house, dun ko na, dami ko pang na-discover sa self ko talaga. Like, mayroon pa akong talents na hindi pa na-find out, and, yeah, just more learnings talaga about life. So, maybe more knowledgeable now.
Oh, wow. So, kumbaga, nung before, akala mo, kilalang-kilala ko
Yeah.
na yung sarili ko. Pero, ang dami mo pa palang na-discover sa
Yeah.
self mo.
Yeah, I thought it was like goods na, like, I won't really have to, walang masyadong impact. I guess, I thought ganyan.
Yeah.
But after, like, boom, tsakalaka talaga.
Pero, best advice, Ray, na nabigay sa'yo ni Big Brother na kumbaga nag-resonate sa'yo, na nadala mo talaga.
Yun nga. People will always see you the way they wanna see you. So, all you can do talaga is just prove them wrong with just, just be yourself.
Right?
Yeah. Kasi, bruh. And, yeah, choose love, not hate. Choose love, guys, bro. Bakit mag-hate pa tayo, uy? Mag-love na lang tayo. So, yeah.
Spread love and
Talaga.
kindness talaga.
Yeah.
No? Pero, yun nga, syempre, not all the people can, we can please them talaga,
Yeah,
di ba?
yeah.
Parang may mga tao talaga, nandyan talaga yung may magda-doubt, hindi maniniwala sa'yo. Rain, ikaw, how do you handle comments or people like that?
Actually, I've seen naman po some comments ganyan, but
You're choosing love and kindness na lang
yeah,
talaga.
I really didn't like want to like be. Bakit you think of me like that? Like it's the way they see me. So go. Like I'm being myself. So go. Like
And you
I
know
don't
yourself better
Yeah,
talaga.
I know myself better naman. So I know what I'm doing and I'm proud of what I'm doing. So yeah, if you don't see it the way I see it, I'm sorry. But yeah, just choose love, guys. Choose love.
Totoo yan, no? Kasi nga naman yung mga tao, ang nakikita lang is yung facade lang.
Yeah.
Hindi naman nila kilala talaga yung mga binabash nila, kinokomenta nila ng, like, in a deeper level talaga.
Yes,
So, choose love, spread
Yeah.
love and kindness.
Yes.
Message ni Rain sa lahat ng mga naniniwala at sumusuporta sa kanya.
Sa mga naniwala po sa akin talaga and patuloy pong naniniwala sa akin. Thank you guys. I'm not gonna disappoint you po talaga. Like I'm gonna work hard po talaga and just keep on doing talaga and yeah, thank you po for supporting me guys kasi I feel so appreciated po. I'm so thankful po talaga. Yeah, thank you po.
Grabe, and you really deserve all the love that you are getting
Thank you
now,
po, thank
Rain.
you.
Pero yan na nga, Rain, sa lahat ng ating mga kapamilya na nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live, Kapamilya, lipat na kayo sa ating YouTube channel or sa ating website dahil ito, magsisimula na ang ating grabe, Kapamilya Confessions with Rain. So Rain, I think yesterday or last night, nag-post ng art card na ang ating mga kapamilya sa ating mga, of course, I posted the art card sa social media pages and of course, nag-send ng questions and messages ang ilan sa mga supporters mo. And now, you are going to pick some of them.
Oh, okay po. Okay
Right?
po. Thank you po. Thank you.
Yan! Okay, let's start the Kapamilya Confessions with Rain. Okay,
I'm gonna choose na po.
pick one. Alright.
Okay. To all the housemates, who has had the biggest influence on you? Oh. I'd say Dongpat.
Wow.
Yeah. Dongpat po kasi mas nakita ko po talaga how things like that Tocino? Yeah. So like I didn't really see I wasn't really aware of what's going on. Tapos nag-talk sila, nag-open forum sila. Tapos doon ko na-learn na, nga no. Yeah, mas na-learn ko na not everyone was able to eat a share of tocino. And that's kind of sad. That's kind of unfair. So doon ko na parang, yeah, I should be more aware of my surroundings talaga.
Galing.
Dongpat.
Dongpat talaga for you.
Yeah.
Next question, Rain.
Okay. This one is mahaba. Okay. Every time you are nominated, you also got the highest vote to save. This proves that people saw your potential and they believe in you. What can you say to them? As they said, you are the dark horse.
Ay. Oh.
Yeah, I really did not expect po talaga. I saw, like when I went out, I saw dark horse comments po. And I was like, damn, thank you po. Kasi, yeah, I didn't expect po talaga. Kasi I was like, am I doing something talaga in the house to be like seen? Like, am I, like, I'm confused nga right now eh. So I'm like, ano ba nga yung question po? Believe
Na kumbaga ikaw yung dark horse daw ng PBB this season kasi kumbaga pag na-nominate ka, akala ng mga tao lalabas ka na but
yeah.
ending up with the highest
Oh,
votes talaga to save, di ba? Ganyan.
Yeah. So, ayun po. All I wanna say po is, thank you. Kasi you saw the potential in me po na hindi nyo pala alam na marami pong nakakakita.
Oh! Oh!
So, yeah, thank you po. I really appreciate po. Very grateful po for the people that supports me po talaga.
Yes. So totoo nga naman talaga, sabi nga ni Rina, surprise talaga siya nung nakita niya yung lahat ng mga placards niya, mga photos niya talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi sa loob ng bahay talaga, kumbaga, you're just doing your stuff talaga.
Yeah.
No social media at all.
Yeah,
So,
talaga.
talagang surprising ang lahat
Yeah.
ng kaganapan.
Yeah.
So, yun na nga. Next,
The
Rain.
next question. Okay, if you were to change something that you did in your entire stay in bahay ni Kuya, what would it be?
Meron ba?
Actually, no, but something minor. I wish I fixed my hair more. Yeah, kasi parang ang dami kong clips ng gulo ng buhok ko. So maybe that one po.
Kasi nga, feel at home naman talaga.
Ay,
Kasi,
kasi, yeah.
oo.
Yes po. Kasi bahay nga ni Kuya.
Oo,
So,
feeling mo
parang-
nasa at home,
Yeah,
ganyan.
Yeah.
So, yun lang naman talaga
Yeah.
for you. Sana mas nag-ayos ang hair lang
Yeah,
talaga.
kasi oh my gosh, ang daming clips ang gosh. Next po. Okay. This one. Would you consider rom-com or comedy as your first movie or series? I think rom-com or comedy movie would suit you very much because nasa charisma mo na yung pagiging magaling mag-entertain and you're effortlessly funny. Ah!
Oh,
Bruh. Bruh. So, I would talaga because that's what I want for rom-com. So, if that's offered to me, that's crazy.
game talaga agad,
Game
no?
talaga. Like, oh, grab talaga. Thank you. Yeah.
So rom-com
Yeah,
definitely
rom-com.
talaga.
Kasi parang mag-enjoy lang ako dun.
Totoo yan.
Yeah,
Next.
move. What's this? Sister Rain, as a part of the Big Four, what are the things you can be proud of doing inside Kuya's house?
Ay, ano ito?
Um,
Parang sa dami ng proud moment talaga ni Ray, no?
I'd say po, I'm very proud of helping with the songs po talaga. The songs, because like, it's such a gift po, making music, and I never thought na I can be a part of that. So, I'm very proud of that. Yeah, so proud of that.
Oh,
Yeah.
galing. Last 2 questions.
Last two. Okay. Rain, if given a chance, may pag-asa ba na matuloy ang PBB Little Sinigang Mix sa outside world?
Ito na nga, oo.
Po, if may chance po, yes. Gusto po talaga namin na, Little Sinigang PBB Mix. We wanna do that talaga. So, if there's a chance, go game.
Game pa rin talaga.
Game talaga,
Oo.
yeah.
Right. Last question, Rin.
Last question. What can you say about your new moniker? Paganda ng PBB.
Oh,
Ano ba? Guys, ano ba? Paganda. Stop it!
Kalma,
Don't
kalma.
stop. Thank you guys. They love the duality, they said.
Oo.
You can be, they said Rain is the pogi and they said Jen is the ganda. So, it's just nice po kasi sometimes, I feel girly, sometimes I feel boyish. So, I love that they appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Ano ba?
very thankful talaga. Nako mga kapamilya, na nga dyan nagtatapos ang ating Kapamilya Confessions with Rain. And for our final challenge, syempre tuloy-tuloy na natin ang ating kantahan sa ating Sing a Song with a Twist challenge. So Rain, alam mo na, sa challenge na to, meron lang tayong mga ipapasok na cards dito. Then you need to pick one lang. Then with the emojis, kailangan mo lang bigyan kung ano bang perfect emoji para dito.
Opo. Game na po ba?
Game!
So I'm gonna pick a card.
Pick one card, yeah.
Okay. Gosh. Go na?
Right, go.
Okay. Sing a song with the word leave. Patay!
Leave.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
I got it. What's that?
So kailangan masaya yung emotions niya. Oh.
Basic!
Oh.
Okay, I'll go. I'ma leave the door open!
Leave the door open talaga. Oo.
Yeah.
Grabe. Alright, next.
Gosh, wait. I should sing better talaga. Why am I so excited? Wait lang. Okay. Sing a song na kinanta ni Moira.
Ay, ayan na nga. Speaking of, isa sa mga gusto makakolab. Oh.
Okay. What's up, emoji? Oh, we're kissing.
Oh, parang pa sweet girl. Ganyan na lang. Oo.
What's up? Okay, I got it. Torete, sa'yo.
Grabe yun. No? Parang pa sweet girl. Nagpapakyut lang talaga siya.
Yeah,
oh.
that's Jen right there.
Oh, yan na nga.
Yeah.
Next card.
Okay. Sing a song na may katagang natin.
Natin?
Oh, help me po.
May natin sa lyrics.
Help me po yan. Natin? Oh no, don't go. Paano yan natin?
Sige, you can pass if walang maisip.
Sorry guys, pass.
It's fine. Go.
Sing a song na may katagang susunod. Okay, got it, okay.
Ano kayang emotion nito? Ay! So medyo parang teary-eyed ang atake dyan.
Gosh, vulcanize.
Vulcanize! Game.
Sa susunod na habang buhay. Okay po.
Grabe no, yung nilaro na lang talaga yung emotion si Rain dito na may tumawa, nagpakyut. Ano kaya yung susunod?
Gosh, guys. Sing a song about unreciprocated love. Gosh, guys. gosh naman, this challenge, napapathink talaga ako. Kakalabas ko lang sa bahay ni Kuya, so yung...
Another challenge na naman agad
my
talaga.
gosh!
No?
Unreciprocated love. Ah! Oh my gosh! Okay, I got it. Ah! Okay. Oh, just swag, just rain.
Hey.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Cause I wanna see you happy. Bisag ako ni mo gipili.
Grabe.
Unreciprocated talaga siya.
Oh, ayan. Sample pa lang yan ako, yung mga supporters mo, Rain, talaga nagwawala na sila. Oh, super solid daw talaga, grabe. Next.
Next. Sing a song with the word swear. Pass!
Next song.
Guys, sing a song na may ganda.
Ay.
Oh, okay, I got it. So I got a blushing emoji.
Kasi nga maganda daw, ganda, ganyan.
Oh gosh. Oh. Magandang dilag, puso ko yung... mali pa. Ulit.
Take 2.
Okay, take 2. Magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabihag. Na. Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
Alright. Okay, last 2 cards, Rain.
Oh my gosh, talaga. Buhay. Kadagang na may buhay. Okay. What's this?
For the kilig-kilig ba yan? Oo, no?
Buhay?
Oo, yan, kilig-kilig.
I'm thinking of the song I sang kanina. Sa susunod na habang buhay. So, kinikilig. Sa susunod na habang buhay. Kinikilig ako.
For the cutesy talaga, no? Last card, Rain.
Okay. Oh. Hanap.
Hanap. Ano kayang
Okay.
emoji?
Kinikilig ulit?
Ano to? Ay, hindi. Parang thinking yan
Okay.
Oo. Kasi nga may hanap.
Sa umagat sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita.
Perfect. Grabe.
Yeah. Hinahanap-hanap kita.
Hinahanap-hanap kita. Pero yun na nga, Rain, that wraps up our Sing a Song Challenge. Pero syempre, you are really a successful person now. If there's a song that will really best describe your life and Rain right now, what song would it be? And pwede bang makarinig ng konting sample?
Damn. Good question.
Diba?
What a song that represents everything right now.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Paano this?
Like song for yourself ngayon. Considering all the success that you are receiving talaga, ganyan.
Oh my gosh.
Favorite song?
I'll just go with, cause MINOR, I'm minorly stuck, and it's not your fault. I'm singing minor because it's a crazy world right now. But I'm a minor pa, but that's crazy. That's why I sang that song. Kasi hindi naisip ko lang eh. So, minor, yeah.
Ayan na nga, nako, grabe mga kapamilya. Talaga nag-awawala na lahat ng supporters mo rin sa comment section. Super aliw na aliw sila sa Sing a Song Challenge natin. Pero Rain, thank you so much
Thank you
for
po.
joining us dito sa Kapamilya
Thank
Chat and
you
for being game na game sa lahat ng mga pa-challenge natin. But of course, before we end, message ni Rain sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa'yo, lahat ng friends mo, families. Go ahead.
To everyone po that supports me, I'm so thankful po talaga, and I'm so blessed to have you guys. I love you guys so much, bro, and I'm so thankful po talaga that you're supporting Rain or Jen, Raina Jen. So thank you guys. I'm not gonna disappoint you guys talaga. I'm gonna work harder, bro. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, the duality is
Yeah.
real talaga. Grabe, no? Pero Rain, of course, please invite them to follow you on your socials.
Oh yeah, guys, if you want naman, can you follow at Celmar and IG, and sa TikTok naman po, it's rain.dear. But yung E sa deer is 3. So you got it right, you got it. And sa Twitter po, it's at Celmar. Yeah.
Rain, Celmar, ganda. Nako, yan na nga mga kapamilya sa lahat ng tumutok sa atin dito sa Kapamilya Chat from the very start till this moment. Maraming salamat. And of course, sa lahat ng supporters ni Rain na kanina pa talaga nagpapatrend, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Again, Kapamilya, let's all spread love and kindness. Once again, I'm Jerry Maya with our PBB second big winner, Rain. We'll see you guys next time only here on Kapamilya Chat. Bye
Thank
everyone
you.
and stay
Bye,
safe.
everyone.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Kapamilya.